She loves to play hide and seek. We call her Crazy Bird.
Are you gonna come down the steps?
We would hide and then you could hear her pitter-pattering around looking for us. You'll just see her big floof come around the corner.
You found us!
And then she'll laugh, that crazy laugh. And when she would find us, she would start chasing us. It got really fun for all of us. She has such a big personality.
You do it, Molly.
You do.
She's just the life of the party. She has to be the center of attention. She'll just scream.
Don't do that.
It scares the hell out of people. Molly wasn't always such a fun, vibrant bird. When we got her, she didn't trust us.
Come here. Come here.
That she was really in love with my older son from the minute she met him.
Molly, you got your boy? Yeah, you do. Are you so happy?
He could pick her up, comfort her. She was not afraid of him at all.
Get what you want, then come with me.
She has favorite songs and he plays them and sings them to her. He can flip her on her back. That's a sign that a bird trusts you. He helped us all see her softer side. She snuggles with him. If he's in the house and she knows it, then she only wants to go and hang out with him.
Oh, good job.
Love you.
Hello.
Hello.
She only does that stuff with him. It's been such a great luxury that she connected and bonded with him so quickly. It helped soothe her and know that she was safe and she was comfortable. Now we've integrated her into so many things. We take her in the car, we take her when we go to get food.
Are we on our daily hike?
We take her to the park, we take her hiking. We love her so much.